So today we're going to do some reloads on some 338-06 cartridges, and what I'm going to be doing is using a Accubond 180 grain 338 bullet, and the cartridges I have here are Quality Cartridge. These are 338-06 A square cartridges, brass, that I bought already sized and necked properly, and I've trimmed them to make sure they're right. So we're going to start. We've got some IMR 4064 powder. I found that this really works well with this load, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put 54 grains of powder inside here. So the original thing that I do is I just kind of stack it, and as I get close to 50, then I'll start dribbling it in. So we got a little bit more than what we should, so I take that out. Went a little too fast. Now we're at 54.8. We'll be less than 50 right there. Or 53, 54, and now I'll just dribble a couple little grains in there. 53.6, 7.8, 54. So we got 54 grains. I'm going to take that, put it in this cartridge right here. They all come out the same. You can kind of tell by just looking down in there. Look down in there, the powder is right up to where this is necked. That's where it occurs. So now I'm going to grab a round, take it over here, we'll set it in there like that, move this out of the way. I've already got the die set up, so when I push this up in, it's gonna measure out right. Total length of this load is 3.37. So I've already got these calipers set up, so I know that I'm at 3.37. And that's about how fast it takes to load some 338-06 when you got the right brass and everything's kind of set up. You can take this little funnel. This is a Lyman system. You could actually take this funnel right here, and if I came into this is set up so that it's almost just as exact, but I like to measure stuff out. You take this little funnel and you fill it up with powder, and then if I put this over here, and then I just dump that in there like so, that's about 47.5. So let's see what happens. Let's see how accurate I can get with just, again, we're just gonna get a big old scoop of it. Make sure that it's done. .48.7. So then I come over here and I just dribbles in. We're 53.3, 54.2, 53, 54.3. Take a little out, just a few grains, not much. Get it nice and even again. Put it back on top. We're at 53.3. 53.8. 53.9. 54.2. I want to get it as close to 54 as possible. That should do it right there. 53.6 again. 53.9, just a couple smidgens in there. 54 even. Again, we just take this, come over here, grab a cartridge, put a little funnel on top, dump it in. Look around, it's right where it should be. Put the cartridge in the holder, come back over and get a bullet. Put it in there. Take a measurement. Perfect. And that's what's involved. So anyways, thanks for watching. 336 Cooper. I put a muzzle brake on the end. I've got some more rounds that I loaded up, and we're going to test to see what the difference is noise-wise that the camera will pick up between this and when I put a silencer on it. Now we're going to put the silencer on it. So this silencer is from a company called Smokin' Hot Suppressors out of Pflugerville, Texas. And they make you a unique can. Right now I've got it set up for 45 caliber. I got to put the right end on the right end. The pitch thread on this is a 9/16 by 24. That was what was recommended by Cooper. And save your brass, it's rare. So with a silencer. And that concludes the demonstration of a .338 that's suppressed.